Now any number that can be divided by 2, even numbers, any number that cannot be divided by 2, odd numbers, composite number, and integer that can be divided by at least one other number, a factor other than itself. Prime number, an integer whose only factors are 1 and itself. Factor, a number that can divide another number without a remainder. Prime factors, an expression of numbers that divides another integer without a remainder where all the factors are prime. Let's look at a number grid from 1 to 100 and see how they were discovered. Now we have already discussed this form, this matrix of the numbers 1 to 100, and here we can identify the numbers in the form of primes and composite. Now, like a number 6, which is composite, here 15, 24. You can see all the composite numbers can be arranged in the rectangular form, but 7 cannot be, arranged in rectangular form. 17, 29, etc. A prime number cannot be divided by anything other than 1 and itself. What are the factors of 25? 1, 5 and 25. How many factors does 26 have? 4 factors, 1, 2, 13 and 26. List the first 4 multiples of 7, 7, 14, 21, 28. Circle the numbers which is not multiple of 4, that is 14. 14 is not a multiple of 4, but 28, 36 and 44 are the multiples of 4. What are the factors of 10? 1 to 10, 2, 5, 10. How many factors does 10 have? 4 factors. What are the factors for 21? 1, 3, 7, 21. What are the factors of 32? 1, 32, 2, 16, 4, 8. How many factors does 32 have? 6 factors. What are the factors of 9? 1, 3, 3, 9. How many factors does 9 have? 3 factors. 9 has 3 factors. 1, 3 and 9. 10 has 4 factors. 1, 2, 5 and 10. What are the factors of 5? 1, 5, 5. How many factors does 5 have? 2 factors. What are the factors of 11? 1, 11. How many factors does 11 have? 2 factors. Which other numbers between 1 and 20 have exactly 2 factors? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Numbers with exactly 2 factors. Prime numbers. Is 1 is prime number, a number with exactly 2 factors? What are the factors of 1? 1 and 1 itself. How many factors does 1 have? Single. The next prime number is 3. There are 25 prime numbers between 1 and 100. 1 by 4. So 100 by 4 is equal to 25. So we have 25 first prime numbers between 1 to 100. 2 is the only even prime number we have noticed. Factors, prime and composite numbers. An answer to a multiplication problems. 7 into 8 equal to 56. This is in product form. Factor, a number that is multiplied by another to give a product. 7, 8, 56. Factors, a number that divides evenly into another. 56 by 8 equals 7. 6 into 7, 42. 7 into 9, 63. 8 into 6, 48. 4 into 9, 36. 42 when divided by 7 equals 6. 63 when divided by 9 equal to 7 and the factor is 9. Then 48 divided by 6 gives 8 and the factor is 6, and all. Prime numbers, a number that has only 2 factors, itself 1 and 7. 7 is the prime because the only numbers that will divide into it are evenly 1 and 7. Here 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15 all are composite numbers. Every whole number from 2 on is either composite or prime. Prime factorization, a way to write a composite number as the product of prime factors like 2, 2, 3, 12 are the prime factors of 12. And how do prime factorization using a factor tree? Step 1, start with a composite number like 48. Step 2, write down a multiplication problem that equals this number or any pair of factors of this number like 6, 8, 48. So 48 is the composite number, and for 6 this will be 2 into 3, and for 8 this will be 2 into 2 into 2. So here 2 into 3 and 2 into 4, 4 means 2 into 2 are the prime factors of 48. 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 2. You can see here 2, 2, 2 and 2, 4 times. So 2 to the power 4 into 3 is equal to 48. So 48 having the prime factors in terms of 2 and 3, where 2 is